Hi there, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to show you how to cook up these amazing bone-in ribeye steaks cooked on the Flaming Coals Parrilla grill. These steaks are around 600 grams, 1.5 to 2 inches thick. I've taken them out of the fridge about 30 minutes ago, and now I'm going to season with Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. Our steaks are all rubbed up. It's time to go light the fire. The first thing we need to do is get 3 fire lighters, some kindling, then using your hardwood iron bark or red gum splits, position that over the top of the kindling. Our fire in the Parrilla is ready. It's time to spread those coals and get the steaks on the grill. Our steaks have been cooking for about 40 minutes and I flipped them halfway through. Now we're set up for 2-zone cooking, so they've been cooking on the colder side. We're going to check the internal temperature and then move them over for a nice hot sear. Perfect, they're sitting at about 45 degrees Celsius. So we're going to take them off the cool zone, lower the grill and give them that nice sear. So our steaks have been searing, we're going to check for that final internal temperature. Now we're looking for an internal temperature of 130 Fahrenheit or about 54 Celsius. And that's perfect. Let's get them off and give them a nice rest. Our steaks have been resting for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's slice it up and see how we went. Let's dig in. That's good steak. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.